Preface. References. 1. Xinshang Chen, Lei Shu, Ziyuan Lu, Maosong Sun, and Wanbo Luan. Joint Learning of Character and Word Embeddings. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2015. 2. Yihong Ji Yu, Zhen Yan, Hao Zhu, Ziyuan Lu, Ruobing Xie, Maosong Sun, Fen Lin, and Liu Lin. Language Modeling with Sparse Product of SMME Experts. In Proceedings of EMNLP, pages 4642-4651, 2018. 3. Xu Han, Ziyuan Lu, and Maosong Sun. Joint Representation Learning of Text and Knowledge for Knowledge Graph Completion. Archive Preprint Archive, 1611.04125, 2016. 4. Xu Han, Ziyuan Lu, and Maosong Sun. Neural Knowledge Acquisition via Mutual Attention between Knowledge Graph and Text. In Proceedings of AAAI, pages 4832-4839, 2018. 5. Xu Han, Hao Zhu, Pengfei Yu, Zian Wang, Yuan Yao, Ziyuan Lu, and Maosong Sun. Few Rel. A large-scale supervised few-shot relation classification dataset with state-of-the-art evaluation. In Proceedings of EMNLP, 2018. 6. Haiming Jin, Hao Zhu, Ziyuan Lu, Ruobing Xie, Maosong Sun, Fen Lin, and Liu Lin. Incorporating Chinese characters of words for lexical SMME prediction. In Proceedings of ACL, 2018. 7. Yangkai Lin, Haojia Ji, Ziyuan Lu, and Maosong Sun. Denoising Distantly Supervised Open Domain Question Answering. In Proceedings of ACL, 2018. 8. Yangkai Lin, Ziyuan Lu, Wanbo Luan, Maosong Sun, Sui Rao, and Song Lu. Modeling Relation Paths for Representation Learning of Knowledge Bases. In Proceedings of EMNLP, 2015. 9. Yangkai Lin, Ziyuan Lu, Maosong Sun, Yang Lu, and Zhan Zhu. Learning Entity and Relation Embeddings for Knowledge Graph Completion. In Proceedings of AAAI, 2015. 10. Yangkai Lin, Shiki Shen, Ziyuan Lu, Wanbo Luan, and Maosong Sun. Neural Relation Extraction with Selective Attention over Instances. In Proceedings of ACL, 2016. 11. Yang Lu, Ziyuan Lu, Tat Seng Chua, and Maosong Sun. Topical Word Embeddings. In Proceedings of AAAI, 2015. 12. Zhenggao Lu, Chenyan Shang, Maosong Sun, and Ziyuan Lu. Entity Duet Neural Ranking. Understanding the Role of Knowledge Graph Semantics in Neural Information Retrieval. In Proceedings of ACL, 2018. 13. Ziyuan Lu, Maosong Sun, Yangkai Lin, and Ruobing Xie. Knowledge Representation Learning. A Review. JCRD, 53, 2, 247-261, 2016. 14. Yilin Niu, Ruobing Xie, Ziyuan Lu, and Maosong Sun. Improved Word Representation Learning with SMMs. In Proceedings of ACL, 2017. 15. Fan Xiaoqi, Zhenji Huang, Chenggaoyang, Ziyuan Lu, Xiao Chen, Chun Lu, and Maosong Sun. Modeling Semantic Compositionality with SMME Knowledge. In Proceedings of ACL, 2019. 16. Fan Xiaoqi, Yangkai Lin, Maosong Sun, Hao Zhu, Ruobing Xie, and Ziyuan Lu. Cross-Lingual Lexical SMME Prediction. In Proceedings of EMNLP, 2018. 17. Maosong Sun and Xinshang Chen. Embedding for Words and Word Senses Based on Human Annotated Knowledge Base. A Case Study on How Net. Journal of Chinese Information Processing, 30-16, 2016. 18. Kunshao Tu, Hao Wang, Shangkai Zeng, Ziyuan Lu, and Maosong Sun. Community Enhanced Network Representation Learning for Network Analysis. Archive Preprint Archive, 1611.06645, 2016. 19. Kunshao Tu, Weicheng Zhang, Zun Lu, and Maosong Sun. Max Margin Deep Walk. Discriminative Learning of Network Representation. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2016. 20. Kunchao Tu, Jinggan Zhang, Zun Lu, and Maosong Sun. Transnet. Translation-Based Network Representation Learning for Social Relation Extraction. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2017. 21. Ruobing Xie, Zun Lu, Tat Seng Chua, Wanbo Luan, and Maosong Sun. Image Embodied Knowledge Representation Learning. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2016. 22. Ruobing Xie, Zun Lu, Jia Jia, Wanbo Luan, and Maosong Sun. Representation Learning of Knowledge Graphs with Entity Descriptions. In Proceedings of AAAI, 2016. 23. Ruobing Xie, Zun Lu, and Maosong Sun. Representation Learning of Knowledge Graphs with Hierarchical Types. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2016. 24. Ruobing Xie, Xingqi Yuan, Zun Lu, and Maosong Sun. Lexical Sememe Prediction via Word Embeddings and Matrix Factorization. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2017. 25. Cheng Yang, Zun Lu, Deli Zhao, Maosong Sun, and Edward Y. Chong. Network Representation Learning with Rich Text Information. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2015. 26. Cheng Yang, Maosong Sun, Zun Lu, and Kunchao Tu. Fast Network Embedding Enhancement via High-Order Proximity Approximation. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2017. 27. Cheng Yang, Maosong Sun, Wayne Xin Zhao, Zun Lu, and Edward Y. Chong. A Neural Network Approach to Jointly Modeling Social Networks and Mobile Trajectories. ACM Transactions on Information Systems, TOIS, 35, 4, 36, 2017. 28. Cheng Yang, Jian Tang, Maosong Sun, Ganshu Kui, and Lu Ziyuan. Multi-Scale Information Diffusion Prediction with Reinforced Recurrent Networks. In Proceedings of IJCAI, 2019. 29. Yuan Yao, Deming Yi, Peng Li, Xu Han, Yangkai Lin, Zhenggao Lu, Ziyuan Lu, Lizin Huang, Jia Zhou, and Maosong Sun. DOCRED, a large-scale document-level relation extraction dataset. In Proceedings of ACL, 2019. 30. Shankai Zeng, Cheng Yang, Kunchao Tu, Zun Lu, and Maosong Sun. Chinese LIWC lexicon expansion via hierarchical classification of word embeddings with Sememe attention. In Proceedings of AAAI, 2018. 31. Jinggan Zhang, Xu Han, Zun Lu, Xin Zhang, Maosong Sun, and Chun Lu. ERNIE. Enhanced Language Representation with Informative Entities. In Proceedings of ACL, 2019. 32. Yu Zhao, Zun Lu, and Maosong Sun. Phrase Type Sensitive Tensor Indexing Model for Semantic Composition. In Proceedings of AAAI, 2015. 33. Jia Zhou, Xu Han, Cheng Yang, Zun Lu, Lifeng Wang, Changcheng Li, and Maosong Sun. GEAR. Graph-Based Evidence Aggregating and Reasoning for Fact Verification. In Proceedings of ACL 2019. The original version of the book front matter has been revised with the addition of reference citations in the preface. The corrected version of front matter can be found at https://doi.org/10.1007/978-981-15-5573-2_12